Hi, this is a short tutorial on how to add small clips into the Codasource company dashboard. So in this video I'm going to go through the overall data flow and data sources, and then how you can add your data source and get it into company dashboard and then have it distributed through to Slack or email or to a website. So what you see here on the screen is the overall architecture. I try to make it like a simple sketch. So what you see here is data sources being Thinkific, where there's a lot of type forms, where the students can enter some data, and the SAP is then put it into the Excel spreadsheet. Then we got Thunacia, which is behind investcourses.com. We got funding, we got Facebook, and all of those are data sources into Klipfolio. Same thing for Intercom, Chatful, Facebook, etc. And once it goes into Klipfolio, it can be sent out an email. So hopefully some of you already received an email, and those are essentially just clips that are being added from there. So let me walk you through how you can add your data into Klipfolio. So you log into Klipfolio, and then you'll have a dashboard up here. This looks like this. Then if you're gonna make a clip, you'll go to data source, which is up here, library and data source, and then you create new data source. So in here you'll be able to find the service or whatever source you like to use. So let's just say that we're going to make a data source with Google Drive. Then find that. I click on it, and then I use my account. I signed in with that. So next step. And from here, like this, and from here I can see my drive, so that would be our main Google Drive, and then I can see shared with me. So if I do that, then as you can see, here is all the sheets that are currently being used. So I can filter them by last modifier, alphabetical. So as you can see, the Codasource panel level operation, that's the ones that are being used. So let's say get file, and then I have to verify that that's the actual source that I want to use. So it comes in here, and yes, that's exactly it. So I'll press continue, which is behind my face, and then I've created a new data source. I have to save that down here in the corner, which is again behind my face. So I'll do that. There it is. Like this. So I save the data source. It's a little slow to load. Okay, then now I have the data source in and it's loaded. Then I want to build a clip from that data source. Then I can choose exactly how I want that to look. So the best idea is maybe to consider, okay, what available data. But let's just say that I want to make a bar chart. Then I come in here. Then you can see there is x-axis and y-axis and the series data. So let's just say I want to. I go in and I find the communication support because I want to make like a sales dashboard. And down here the data, as you can see, it's how many visitors or Facebook messages we got. So let's just go down to the date now. So this is the latest. So I go define this as the x-axis, date, like this, so like that, and then go in for the actual data, and then I slot in the data, like that. Then I can see here that these are the actual Facebook messages. So then I want to name it. Facebook messages BD March month. Just call some numbers of Facebook messages. And then I go up here and I press save. And then it's saved as a clip. So again, behind the screen here, there's a behind the screen there's a finish button. I'll press finish, and now that clip is created. So if I go to my library, it's a clip. Then I can go to dashboard, where I like it to be added. This is I like to have that in under the overall KPIs. Then I'll go in here, add clip, and then it's right there. Look, I'll add it, and then I have the chart right there. So that was just a quick intro on how you can take your data from Google Sheet and put it into Klipfolio. And then of course we want it to be shared, so go in and then push go up here, share, email dashboard, and then set up manage existing recurrent schedule, and then set up an ES and say, okay, for this one I like for Shuru, Hafiz, Rifat, etc. to get it as an image, and I like to get it let's just say weekly, or let's just say daily, every 2 days at this time. Finish, save, and then it's set up. It's gonna send them every time. If I send now, then it's being sent. So that was a quick introduction on how to capture data from the Google Sheet, get it into Klipfolio, and then have it distributed as an email. So this should enable you to do the exact same thing. Ciao.